Hi, this is Hannah Sokup. I'm the Oral History Curator at the University of Montana's Archives and Special Collections. And today I'm going to show you how to search for maps in the Mansfield Library and in Archives and Special Collections. So you'll want to go to the Maureen and Mike Mansfield Library homepage. And the address is here at the top, the URL. It's www.lib.umt.edu. So once you get there, then you can go to this search box. But I always like to do an advanced search rather than typing in my terms right here, because if you type in your terms right here, you're going to get all kinds of things that are not physically available in the library. So if you're looking for maps that are in the library, it's best to click on this little word down here, this link, Advanced Search. And then you can select physical items. And you can type in keywords for your map. So if you're looking for maps of the Bitterroot area of Montana, you can type that in. And you really want to make sure that when you're searching for maps, you do one more thing, and that is limit your search by resource type. And this is very handy because you can limit it to maps. Because if I type in Bitterroot and then hit search, you're going to get books, you're going to get journal articles, you're going to get all kinds of things, photographs, which maybe you want that, but if you're just looking for maps, you really just want to search for maps. So select maps. You can narrow your source your search down by publication date as well. If you have a specific date in mind, you can select specific date and say I'm looking for maps of the Bitterroot from 1910 to 1980. And then you can click search. And I have 38 results, so I have a forest atlas of the national forests circa 1910. I've got a Montana Fish and Game Commission map from 1967, and I have a lot of other things. I have a geohydrologic map of the Bitterroot Valley. Farmlands that were done by the Soil Conservation Service. You can see U.S. Forest Service maps of the Bitterroot National Forest, and you can load more results if you are not seeing what you're looking for. Once you find the map that you want, though, so I'm really interested in this Forest Atlas and the Bitterroot Folio. I'd like to see what that's about. Now the call number is right here, but I always like to click on the title of the map first because it's a link at the title of whatever it is you're looking at you think you might want to see. Because what happens is it pulls up a screen that gives you so much more information about that thing. If this map were available in multiple places in the library, because many of our materials are, you would see that it's available on level 1. If it were available or level 4, you would see that it's available in all kinds of other places. But you see that it's only available on level 4 in Archives and Special Collections. And so you would need to come up to level 4 to the Montana room and look for it. It's also going to give you some information about it, like, oh, there are actually two sets of this map. And it's not loanable, so you'd need to look at it in the archives. But it's also available at Montana State University in Bozeman. So if you wanted to get it through interlibrary loan, you possibly could. And so you would need to log into your library account. You'll also see that the subjects, the publisher, the format. So there are 20 maps in this set. And then you can also see that there are other things that are suggested to you based on your search terms. So it's always a really good idea to click on the title of the thing you're interested in to get more information. But now you know where it is. It's on level 4 of the library, which is one floor up from the main floor. And here's the call number right here, this A13.17. And you only got maps when you searched rather than all kinds of other materials.